So this is going to be a follow-up video to the one, if you watch my channel, is not the previous video, but the one that's 2 videos ago, of the one where I actually swapped the engine off of like a bad looking deck and just a trashed mower with the hopes that the engine was good on it. Unfortunately, well, the engine's runs, I'll say that much. Unfortunately, I have a ton of blow-by on the engine. So I don't want to sell a mower like this, especially since I have the parts to work on them and make them better. So I just had this revelation, so to speak, that I'm just going to do another base plate swap because it's going to be the easiest thing to do, and because I know I have a good engine right here. This engine is another one that has a broken base plate. It was the one that actually came off of this mower originally. So it's got that. This was the one actually that has the bent blade too. But if I look at the shaft looks straight, thankfully. It looks like the blade took all the brunt and the base plate, which is good. It means the engine most likely has been saved on this one. And I know that it was running when it hit whatever it hit. So at the worst, I have a sheared flywheel key. Then it being the off chance that for some reason it actually broke on the inside. But just, you know, getting the base plate off is going to show that. So if you want to see what I'm doing to this mower, check my previous video. It's going to be the exact same thing that I've done to that mower, to where I swapped a 300 series base plate with a blown engine onto a mower just like this. So I just kind of wanted to give the follow-up to the first video that I did with this mower. I'm going to do the exact same thing, so the next time you see this mower, it will have the new engine on it, and we're going to run it. I'll show you that, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. You can see the air filter has a ton of oil on it, and I will show you all the blow-by tube. You can see a ton of oil going in the blow-by tube as well. So motor runs good, but unfortunately it's seen better days because whoever had it last didn't treat it well. So I'm going to do this, and you know, we'll get it going and have hopefully another good push mower here. Alright, so I got everything back together. As you'll see in my last video, I basically did the same thing to this mower as I did to that mower. And just, you know, going to check for leaks. I'm actually just going to make sure that it runs good. Hopefully it runs a little bit better than the new one there. The new one, it's got a little knocking on it, unfortunately, so I'll just have to let it run a little while to see if it I know it's not going to get any better, but just to see if the longevity of it is okay. And I'll have to sell it at a discounted cost with the buyer knowing that it's got the issue if I decide not to go ahead and fix it further. But anyways, I just want to finish this follow-up to this mower here and show you all that it hopefully runs good. Starts on the first pull. I was just checking. I had a little bit of oil residue from where I filled it up, and I forgot to wipe it off. But as you can see, it's running pretty good. I just wanted to give you all that quick follow-up to this mower, but you know, made it a little bit more valuable by doing that. So thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.